Hello guys, so today in this video we are going to see complete live review about this awesome product called Autopreneur AI, which is the first ever genius AI powered lockable Kindle like flipbook creator that gets free traffic, collect targeted leads, follow up and convert them into sales automatically and helps you to make huge profits daily. So watch the complete video to see full demo of it, how it works, its various features and many more. And guys, if you get access to it right now, I have 5 plus amazing action taken bonuses totally free worth rupees $3000 for you. So to learn more about it or to grab this limited time period offer, definitely check out the link in the description down below guys. So now let's get started. So get access to it right now, enter my coupon code and get special discount from my side.